Am I on?
Yes, you're on.
Alright, so I've been told that this vlogging thing is really hard because when the camera's in front of you, you instantly just shy up and get awkward. As in with me, I feel like I'm coming alive right now. I mean, I've had 13 wings.
You're all of it.
The wonderful buffalo rings and wings.
Nice shout out.
Yeah, I know.
They pay you for that?
No, they won't. But in the big picture of things, I might see something from it. I mean, look how awkward this is. I mean, she is so camera shy, she literally got food stuck in her mouth. I mean, she doesn't know what to do right now. I mean, and Kelsey, she's not even the one talking right now. And I can really see in her face how awkward she feels about this whole scenario.
Please let this make the vlog.
Yeah, so,
It's going to.
I mean, we've already taken up, what, 2-3 minutes?
1 minute.
1 minute. So, I mean, we can let this go on forever. But we're here, so...
It's like we're at, is this for the vlog?
Are we being vlogged right now? Oh, I feel so honored. Hang on, bring it back.
Shut up. We have like 100. Hi, Grandma. You're in it. Say hi.
Oh, hi. Hey, wait, do you really have 100?
Do you have anything to say?
Doing it, back on the vlog. That's
like
great. That's the Sheikh Abdul.
I know, he's like, this is what it's trying to be.
So anyways, we're here to celebrate Kelsey's birthday. So we'll go back to celebrating. Look, you gotta show the cake.
Oh, yeah. This is my cake. Yeah. It kind of looks like a baby shower cake. But it's cute. I haven't had a cake in a long time. And these are all my friends that all came to see me.
Yes, we're all her friends. It took many years for these friendships to build.
I used to like this one in high school.
She used to like me in high school.
He was good.
I still am good. For any of you single ladies watching this, I'm still very good. Whatever I need to be good at. Just add me on Facebook. They'll tag me on this vlog.
Yeah, click the link above to be his friend.
Yes.
Right there.
Leave a link below.
All the single ladies. It's right there. That's all you gotta do. Just add up. We will look at.
I bet you get a lot of attention with the blonde hair.
Amanda.
People say I never clown.
This is gold. She has no idea she's being recorded.
Let them do a vlog.
Camera's only embarrassed slightly. This is the cool, too cool big brother. He drives a Mustang. He saves lives. Anyways, back to the birthday cake. We have a Snapchat virgin here. She's learning all kinds of new stuff. Easily entertained. Easily entertained. Okay, so the glorious moment is now coming upon us. She's turning the big 2-4. It's a life-changing moment. She's officially an adult now. I'm focusing. Day to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Kelsey. Happy birthday to you. Oh my God, come on.
Such a glorious moment. She blew out every candle in less than 30 seconds.
Keep longing for you. I breathed on it. Her wish was for you to subscribe to our vlog. Click here.
Well, we're going to go ahead and cut this off now because Kelsey wants to eat.
Mom, get in here.
Mom, you want in?
Yeah, she's coming over.
Look at her. She just like
Yeah, she goes, I don't want to. She goes, I don't want to.
And then she's like, what's going on?
Yeah, like, let me in this.
Okay. Okay, guys. We just got back. I had a little surprise birthday party.
Little.
That was a big one.
It was pretty big.
Lots of my friends and my family came, and it was so much fun.
2.5 hours.
Yeah, Mom planned it. Morgan helped out. They all planned it.
We planned it!
And we just got home, and it's like midnight, so we're probably all gonna go to bed. And tomorrow...
Mom's like, yeah.
Tomorrow, I think we're gonna go do a painting class.
I'll be working.
Oh, and you got to see all my friends. They vlogged a little, so I'll insert that.
I don't even know what to say.
Oh, I don't know.
Happy birthday, Kelsey.
Yes.
We love you.
I came home for a few days to be with my family for my birthday, so.
To come to Kelly's bachelorette party.
Oh yeah, my best friend. Yes.
That's the real reason why we're home.
That is the big thing.
Yeah.
So.
Fun times.
Bye. Jonathan, we miss you.
Yes, we miss you, Jay.
Bye.
No, we
We'll
don't.
see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Toodles.
Tiara, where are you going? You're supposed to be in this.
It's a pretzels.
Okay, guys, we're getting ready to paint in our painting class. You ready, Mom?
Yes, I am. Yeah, I told her.
Tyler's here, but he left.
Ow, my right arm hurts.
So. Okay, bye. We have to update.
Oh,
How's it going?
We're updating?
Yes.
Okay, well, we suck.
We're not doing that bad
Okay,
right
Show
now.
them what we're
Because I'm doing...
Show them what we're trying to get to.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's a good idea. We're doing that up there. Well, let me know. Right there. That's what we're getting to. And this is where we're at so far. You're doing pretty
Two
good.
down.
How's it going, Mom?
It's going great.
Having fun?
Having fun.
I think we're almost done.
Yeah, we're done.
2 hours.
Yeah,
It's not that bad.
it's a work of art.
I think it's pretty good. This is mine.
Yeah, I'll take
And
it.
then
Yeah, give us that food eligible.
Mom wants me to vlog. We're ending the night at B-Dubs. Got some drinks. Electric lemonade. It's the best. That's my mom. She's putting her drink in front of everybody.
Diet Coke.
That's her choice of drink for always. It's been a good night.
Hey guys, I am spending the day working on Kelsey's car while she's gone. The driver's side door lost power, and when the windows wouldn't open, the trunk wouldn't open, and the best part about it, the fuel tank won't open. So we have to get this fixed. I've been looking it up. I've done some work on doors before, like with the motor for the window, but I've never done anything with the electrical before. But I am an electrical engineer, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so far I've got the inner door panel off. You can kind of see it there. I've also got the lock and the handle off. And I've disconnected the wiring. And see, I took off the outer. I also took off the outer shell of the door. So now I need to find the wiring problem. So I think I found the culprit, guys. If you can see this wire? That wire is supposed to be connected to that part of the wire that's inside the connector. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get that out. And I also don't even know if I'm going to be able to solder that down in there if I can't get that out. Well guys, I was trying to pull these out to see if they came out because I need to get that one out. If you remember before, there was only one broken wire and now there's two. So it appears that I do not know how to pull these out. It's gotten darker out, so I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this, but come on, focus. There we go. I've just decided I'm going to go ahead and solder these broken wires. I've already done one, and I've got this one started, and I'm just going to, if you can see, I don't know if you can see down in there or not. Yeah, I kind of just soldered it down into that hole, to that connector. I'm not sure how well it's going to hold up, but that's the best that I can do right now. It'll at least get it working where we can put gas in the car, hopefully. Alright guys, here we go. Light kind of went out on me there. Moment of truth. Let's see if my hobble job actually worked. So here we go. First things first, the thing saying that the door wasn't closed is no longer happening. See that symbol? That was not going away previously. Now let's turn this on, and it looks like we have some lights on the door. So can we lock and unlock? Hold on. Okay, so can we lock and unlock? Oh yeah. And let's try the window. Oh yeah. Awesome. Let's check the trunk. Awesome. Trunk works. And finally, the most important one, the gas tank. Oh yeah. I don't know, you guys probably can't tell that, but I actually heard it kick open. I am so excited. I can't believe that I got it all taken care of. It probably saved myself like anywhere from $200 to $400 today. I'm sure Kelsey's gonna be happy when she gets back from her trip, so it'll be a nice little surprise for her. And in case you guys are wondering, hey, what's Jonathan doing with that hat on? He never wears a hat. This is what I was using tonight. I don't want to blind you, but this hat actually has LEDs built into it, and it's kind of like my work hat whenever it's dark out or whatever. So I don't know, I like my hat.
Hey guys, we are on our way to meet up with everybody to carpool because we're going downtown tonight. It's time for my best friend Kelly's bachelorette party. She's getting married and we are gonna celebrate.
So excited. It's gonna be
We're gonna go out and we're all sharing a hotel room and it's gonna be so much fun. And I'm freaking out.
We're gonna be in the Natty.
We're going downtown, see Natty. So it'll be fun. We'll try to vlog a little bit,
I think we will a lot.
but we'll see.
And we're sorry ahead of time for the drunkenness because I feel like we're gonna have a couple of shots and a couple of drinks.
We're gonna have some drinks. Hopefully we won't get too crazy.
Hopefully we won't embarrass ourselves,
Yeah.
but it's probably gonna happen.
We're gonna be good.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good.
We're bringing the party though. We're gonna be the party group, the party girls. All right, see you later.
And I watched Jonathan. I have terrible posture. Oh my god. Yeah. I watched Jonathan jump around the park. Yes. Jumping park. That's the last I've seen of those. Are you still there? We're here for Kelly's bachelorette party. What are we at? We're at Morlane. This is my friend Danny. Say hi to the viewers.
Hi. No. This is gonna be on.
No. She looks good, doesn't she? She's perfect.
Start over?
Yeah. Start over.
Hi.
Hey everybody. Kelly, say hi.
I went in for this crazy rash thing that I had all over my body, which was like
All right.
and I was
Yes.
complaining about
This is everybody here. We're having a lot of fun so far. See ya. See ya. Peace.
What are we gonna say?
We're out and about for Kelly's bachelorette party. Are you
Yeah.
excited? She's already feeling good. We're at the first place. How's it going? We're on the farm.
How big are the eggs they lay? Oh, does it?
Oh my gosh, they're adorable. Can you pet them or do they care? Do they hate you?
Who are you?
Oh my gosh, so cute.
cashier, there's like little brown spots in places. That's where they go when they do their little thing.
Oh my gosh. This is so funny. And we're back from the trip. We're on our way home. I know we look a little rough. Actually, Morgan, your hair is still done. You look good.
I'm trying.
It was a good night. Drank a little bit too much at the end there. But Morgan here, she was a champ.
I was a trooper.
She helped me out.
She was the mom of the group.
She was good. And
Yeah.
the bride was thoroughly drunk the
night.
whole night, but not sick. So I think overall the night was a very successful night.
Yes. It's a lot of fun.
We just stopped by our friend's house real quick where we carpooled and parked our cars.
Yeah.
She lives like on a little farm there. And of course you saw those cute little animals, and her Leon Burger just had a bunch of puppies. She only brought one up though because the mom's a little overprotective, but
They're adorable.
so cute. And yeah, we had a good time. We had a really good night. I don't know how much I vlogged. Hopefully it was
A little bit.
Hopefully it was enough to give you a little taste of the evening. I don't know. So we're going home. It's been real. We're gonna relax the rest of the night and maybe see a movie later on. So thanks for joining. Let's see if we can catch this tomato guy. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see him. There he is. Snappy tomatoes. I love this guy.
Hey, what's up guys? I just got home from work and was able to do some dishes and stuff. Hold on, I gotta show you this. Oh yeah, that's right. All the dishes are clean, kitchen's clean, living room's clean, everything's clean. And I'm on my way to go pick up Mrs. Bentley. She is on her way back from a great trip that she had with her family up in Indiana. And I've got a little surprise for her. And maybe another little surprise whenever I get her back here, because her birthday present came in. That was going in a bad direction, wasn't it? Anyway, so I'm getting ready to head out. She's probably halfway here by now, so I need to get there so I can be there when the plane pulls in. But yeah, so let's go pick up my wife, guys. so much. Good for you. Yeah. Were you like the last person getting off the plane?
There's like 3 rows behind me, but
So, how was your trip?
good. I'm tired.
So that was the easiest baggage claim that we've ever been through. We came down the escalator and...
Escalator?
The escalator. We came down the escalator.
You're saying baggage.
No, we came down the escalator and the bag was ready, like, waiting.
Hey guys, we forgot to end the vlog. I'm home now, and yeah. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna go back to strictly every Wednesday videos and have some consistency in our lives. We may throw a surprise one in there every once in a while.
Not strictly.
Well, I'm just saying we will have one out for sure every Wednesday.
Yes.
We've been kind of behind and all over the place, so it's gonna be back to normal.
Well, we had lots of travel. You know, we were traveling, going all over the place.
You explained this in the last video.
I know, but I'm
Yes,
just
they understand.
I'm re-explaining.
If they watched, they know.
Maybe not everybody watched every video.
Then go do that.
You should go do that. But anyway, I'm glad for Kelsey to be back home.
Thank you.
I wasn't even pointing at us. Anyway, yeah, so I'm happy she's home, we're together, and she had a great time, I'm sure, as you guys all saw. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end it. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff, and follow us on social media. And yeah,
Bye.
bye.
Mama Rob's is probably the best.
Oh, TR, I love you.
Yeah.
You're a liar, but I love
You did pretty good.
I'm not lying.
Did you have fun?
I had a blast. Hang on, I gotta get the camera in the right angle. There we go.
Your fingers.
And my JB lighted it out. It's good. Did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming with me.
Oh, you're welcome. Is this
Cute
the
little thing.
on-camera thank you thing?
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know.
And of
It's
course,
real.
this was all possible by the King of Beers, Budweiser. Shout out. $500.
So yeah, but it's someone driving around on a go-kart. Anyway.
Jeff isn't the same, right, Kelsey?
Now she has to eat it as fast as she can, so watch her just like dig through it.
No. Zach's took video of me eating it before. I've seen it. It's not a pretty sight.
I want that phase where I videotape people all the time. People get so mad. Like
You're a vlogger.
No, I videotape me. Like,
Tell us your
so look how bad you are.
House, what is it? What? Are you recording?
Yes.
Why don't you like have a signal? No.